Mama June runs off and marries a rich man without telling everyone. When her social media reveals this, media gets all hot. But what is the reason behind doing such activities at this age? Let's try to learn everything in today's video, but they are on another topic first. Mama June Shannon awarded custody of granddaughter Kaitlyn after legal battle. Mama June Shannon has officially been granted custody of her granddaughter, Kaitlyn Shannon, following a contentious legal dispute with Michael Cardwell. Michael, the ex-husband of Anna Cardwell, who was Mama June's late daughter, is also the father of Anna's younger daughter, Kylee. After much deliberation, the court's decision has finally been made, placing Kaitlyn in the custody of her grandmother. Here's a breakdown of the situation. #the custody battle over Kaitlyn Shannon. When Anna Cardwell, Kaitlyn's mother, tragically passed away, arrangements for Kaitlyn's custody became a priority. Anna had never named Kaitlyn's father, leaving the issue unresolved. However, she had decided that if anything were to happen to her, she wanted her husband, Eldridge Toney, to be Kaitlyn's guardian. Eldridge had been a part of Kaitlyn's life since 2017 and treated her as his own, much like Michael had with Kylee. While Anna's wishes for Eldridge to become Kaitlyn's guardian were clear, her untimely passing occurred before the paperwork could be finalized. As a result, the situation was left unresolved, opening the door for a legal battle. #Michael Cardwell's custody claim. Following Anna's death, Michael Cardwell filed for custody of Kaitlyn, arguing that he had played a significant role in her upbringing and had financially supported her education. He also emphasized the importance of keeping Kaitlyn and Kylee, her younger sister, together during such an emotionally difficult time. However, Mama June opposed Michael's claim, accusing him of being abusive. Michael countered that June had been estranged from Anna for years and lacked insight into the family dynamics. Despite the tension, the two parties took their dispute to court. #Kaitlyn's letter and court decision. Kaitlyn herself played a pivotal role in the court's decision. Reportedly, she wrote a letter expressing her desire to live with her grandmother, Mama June. This personal statement, combined with a recommendation from Kaitlyn's therapist, who noted that Kaitlyn feared being separated from her grandmother, became key factors in the court's ruling. On Friday, September 20th, a decision was reached, and Mama June was awarded legal and physical custody of Kaitlyn. The court order stated that Michael would have no visitation rights unless agreed upon by all parties involved, including Kaitlyn. #rumors and speculation. Prior to the official court ruling, rumors had circulated that Mama June had already secured custody of Kaitlyn. These rumors were fueled by a post from Michael's fiancée, London Smith, in which she expressed heartbreak over their family being torn apart. There had also been speculation that Eldridge Toney had secretly taken Kaitlyn to visit Michael and his family without Mama June's knowledge. However, London Smith denied these claims. As of now, the relationship between Kaitlyn and her sister Kylee remains unclear, and it is unknown how their bond will evolve following the court's decision. #Conclusion. Despite the heated legal battle and the emotional strain on both sides, Mama June Shannon now officially has custody of her granddaughter, Kaitlyn. While some fans believe Kaitlyn and Kylee should not have been separated, the court ultimately ruled in favor of Mama June, granting her full custody and leaving visitation rights in the hands of Kaitlyn and her family. This marks a significant chapter in the Shannon family's ongoing story as they continue to navigate their new normal. Mama June wins custody battle against late daughter Anna Cardwell's ex-husband over granddaughter Kaitlyn. Mama June Shannon has emerged victorious in the custody battle over her granddaughter, Kaitlyn Shannon, following a legal dispute with Michael Cardwell, the ex-husband of her late daughter, Anna Cardwell. In Touch exclusively reports that a Georgia judge issued the ruling on September 20, 2024, officially granting Mama June custody. #the court's decision. According to court documents obtained by In Touch, the ruling states that Mama June will retain both legal and physical custody of Kaitlyn. Michael Cardwell, who had filed for custody, will not have visitation rights unless agreed upon by both Kaitlyn and her grandmother. The judge's decision came after a hearing in July, during which 11-year-old Kaitlyn expressed her wish to continue living with Mama June. The judge noted in the order that Kaitlyn's therapist had also testified, sharing that the child feared being taken away from her grandmother, further strengthening Mama June's case for custody. #The custody battle. The dispute over Kaitlyn's custody began after Anna Cardwell's tragic death in December 2023, following a battle with cancer. Anna, who was 29 at the time of her passing, left behind two daughters, Kaitlyn, from a previous relationship, and 8-year-old Kylee, whom she shared with Michael. Before her death, Anna had arranged for Kaitlyn to live with Mama June, which set the stage for the custody dispute between Mama June and Michael. Michael filed for custody, arguing that the two sisters should not be separated. He also claimed to have raised Kaitlyn as his own during his marriage to Anna and felt it was in Kaitlyn's best interest to live with him and her sister, Kylee. However, Mama June contested Michael's petition, arguing that Kaitlyn had already been living with her and that it would be in the child's best interest to stay with her grandmother. #allegations and counterclaims. Throughout the court proceedings, tensions between Mama June and Michael escalated. June accused Michael of having been abusive toward Anna and Kaitlyn during his marriage to Anna. She claimed in her petition that Michael frequently physically abused Anna and the child, asserting that it would be harmful for Kaitlyn to be in his custody. Michael, through his lawyer, Donald Lewis Roberts, vehemently denied these accusations, calling them the first time any of these allegations have been made. He asserted that he and Anna had maintained a good relationship even after their divorce and that they had always worked together to co-parent their children. Despite Michael's claims, the court ultimately sided with Mama June. The judge pointed out that although Michael had helped care for Kaitlyn at times, he had never provided significant financial support for her. #temporary custody and final ruling. Earlier this year, Mama June had been granted temporary custody of Kaitlyn, pending a hearing in July. Both sides presented their cases during that hearing, with Michael arguing for permanent custody. However, the court found that Mama June was the best person to provide Kaitlyn with stability, citing the child's expressed wishes and her established home life with her grandmother. #conclusion. With the court's final decision in her favor, Mama June Shannon has now secured permanent custody of her granddaughter, Kaitlyn. The ruling marks the end of a lengthy and emotional legal battle, ensuring that Kaitlyn will continue to live with her grandmother as she navigates life after the loss of her mother. As previously reported by In Touch, Mama June's family has been dealing with multiple legal and personal challenges. Her daughter Lauren "Pumpkin" Efford is currently in the midst of a divorce from her ex-husband, Josh Efford, adding further complexity to the family dynamics. Despite these hardships, Mama June has successfully fought for custody of Kaitlyn.